Hey guys, welcome back to Web Tech Tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how we can download CommBank app. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started with our today's video. Firstly, you have to open Play Store. After that, click on search icon and type CommBank app. After that, you will see CommBank application. You have to click on that and click on install. Depending on your internet speed, app will be downloaded within few seconds or few minutes. After downloading, you can check your home screen if the app is downloaded or not. So yeah, this was it. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and see you in next video. Bye bye.